it is permissible. You are allowed to صيام يوم عاشوراء. You're allowed to fast the day of Ashura إذا وافق يوم السبت. If it goes in line or with a Saturday, you're allowed to. Okay, you're allowed to. As long as you fast with it. This is the madhab of the Jumhur al-Fuqaha. Okay, and some of the scholars actually say it is permissible for you to fast on Saturday unrestrictedly. This is the madhab al-Malikiyah. As for the hadith that came which prohibits the fasting on Saturday, Imam Ahmad narrated this and Abu Dawood. And as you all know, brothers and sisters who are watching, فَمُخْتَلَفٌ فِي صِحَّتِهِ, there is a dispute and an argumentation and a differences amongst the scholars on the authentication of this hadith. As you know, Imam Malik rahimahullah, he said that it is kadhib, it's a lie. And what did he mean by that? We'll leave that for another time. And Imam al-Nasa'i said the hadith is muddarib. And Imam al-Zuhri weakened the hadith. Ibn al-Arabi al-Maliki, the great scholar, he weakened the hadith. Ibn al-Mulaqqin rahimahullah weakened the hadith. And Imam al-Tahawi weakened the hadith. Ibn al-Qayyim weakened the hadith. So, and it's also ظاهر كلام Ibn Hajar that he weakens the hadith. But there are also other scholars who authenticated it, like Al-Imam Abu Hakim al-Naysaburi authenticated it. Ibn Khuzaymah rahimahullah authenticated it. Shaykh al-Allama Muhammad ibn Nasiruddin al-Albani, he authenticated it. And I'm more inclined to the idea that the hadith inshallah ta'ala is sahih. But the meaning is where I might disagree with the great noble Imam Shaykh Muhammad Nasiruddin al-Albani, which is that فَيُحْمَلُ عَلَى مَنْ خَصَّصَ يَوْمَ السَّبْتِ. The hadith is talking about restricting Saturday by itself. Okay, that's what it's talking about. But if a person is fasting with it, and he's not looking for Saturday, okay, he's not looking for it. Ashura fell on it. Arafah fell on that day, okay. Yani, that's what my heart is content with, and the person fasts other days with it, inshallah ta'ala.